This is a special week that combines Chanuka with Parshas VaYigash. The Maharal Prague points out that Chanuka commemorates two great miracles, one in the military campaign, Rabim Biad Miatim, etc., and the Pach Hashem that lasted for 8 days. But the Brisa, says the Maharal, of my Chanukah establishes that the essence of Chanukah is the Pach Hashem, and that's the mitzvah of Adlaka. But yet the miracle in the military campaign was certainly a greater miracle. That was Hatzalas Klal Yisrael. But, says the Maharal, there's some fundamental difference between the two miracles categorically. The miracle out in the military camp, could be explained within the framework of nature. And it's a nes nistar. It's not clearly a nes, a miracle that is supernatural. But in contrast, the Pach Hashem cannot be explained based on the laws of nature. Clearly, God is revealing his yad, his hand. And that, says the Maharal, is going to be a Gili Milsa to reveal that the military campaign was Yad Hashem. It was a great miracle. So sometimes we need a clear, sensational, and supernatural miracle in order to reveal that other things that could be explained. And in the Parshios of Mechiras Yosef, there are many, many miracles that take place, but all of them could really be explained within the frame of nature. I mean, the fact that of all caravans that Yosef was sold down to Mitzrayim, a caravan with a fragrant smell, could be explained. The fact that when Ashes Potiphar accused Yosef of immorality, and clearly Potiphar could have put Yosef to death and didn't do so. The fact that Yosef in the jail rises to what he does, and ultimately in front of Paro, he becomes the viceroy of all of Egypt. All those things can be explained based on laws of cause and effect on nature. But one thing I believe is beyond explanation. And that is, Yosef is thrown into a pit. Habar Rekem Bomayim. Chazal say that this pit was 20 amas deep, and Yosef survives the fall. It was full of scorpions. We know that scorpions are out there, and serpents and nechashim. The fact that Yosef survived that experience, that itself is supernatural, clearly above nature, and perhaps that reveals something about everything that happens in the life of Yosef. It's all Yad Hashem. And we've been experiencing some very difficult times in Klal Yisrael, but we have to find those miracles and reveal that everything is Yad Hashem. It's all Hashem behind the scenes. He writes on that as we go through our national experience and our personal experience, each one of us individually in life, we'll see that all the events, although they can be explained away as cause and effect within the framework of nature, but in truth, it is really the hashgacha of Hashem. And if we realize that, and we bring Hashem into our lives in every dimension, then clearly we'll be on the level, we'll bring about Bias Goel Mashiach Tzidkenu B'Mehirav Yameinu Amen. Have a great Shabbos.